I've started doing with the Tethrd One Stick when I use it, when I come out here. Because when you're doing that crisscross, I've always had a problem with, you know, when you're going up the stick wanting to go up with it. So I'll show you what I do now when I'm doing this tying of this thing. I mean, it's just a crisscross. So, I mean, I don't know if I've actually watched their video on how to do it correctly, but how I do it, it's never come loose or anything like that. But I'm just going to show you my little tip on what I do. And I'll show you, I'll do part of it where the frustration comes in. When I'm like pulling up on the crisscross and what happens, and then how I've changed my way of putting this onto the tree. So hold on, let me put you on my chest and see if we can get a good view for you, okay? All right, so my stick, as you can see, is around the tree. And I've got the rope around. You should have this about level with the stick, so coming around. And then what I do, where my frustration kept coming in, is I would go like this. I would come around, and then when I would go through here, I would pull up on the string, and then of course the stick moves up, which drives me nuts. And then when I come down here, I pull down, the stick goes down. Then when I come here, I go up, and then of course the stick moves again. And then I come down. And I mean, it's not going to cause any problems, but here's what I do now. I'll show you. So when I come around the tree, I come underneath because I want it to catch on this. I come over the top. I go back down again. Now, when I come up here, I don't put any pressure coming up. I go over here and I pull down on that real tight. And then when I come here, I don't put any pressure when I'm coming up, and I pull down tight right there. Then I go around and I go around. And I just leave that going through the bottom step. Down here, I just let that fall. Then I pull away the bottom part and I set it pretty good. All right, guys, hopefully that helps you. I will see you later on the next video. Bye-bye.